I'm Abdurrahim, and today I would like to talk to you about the most effective ways you can promote your affiliate marketing business. You know, and the answer is easy. It's email marketing. You know, without you having a system to follow up on your leads, you won't make no sales as an affiliate. You make very little sales as affiliate, because in today's society, people got to know you and got to trust you. So you need a system so you can follow up on potential customers. One of the most effective way you can go about this is to try and build up your list slowly, and with people who probably know you and trust you, and then you can move on. The good things about email marketing, sometimes you might run out of ideas of emails to send out, and the thing is, you can always ask your subscribers, for ideas, what they need, and get feedback. Email is a great tool, but one of the things you have to do, it's not a tool to hard sell. Once you write your email and people get to know you, you can always leave a link at the end of your email. Your ultimate aim in email marketing is to produce sales. There's many ways you can go about your email marketing, because it's a great tool, because most people have to see a product 4, 5, 6 times before they actually buy. Now, the simple reason why email marketing is crucial to your success is because it gives you the tool that you need to follow up on your prospects. So if you don't have an email strategy in place, it'll be difficult for you to make a lot of sales, because ultimately every prospect you have, they need to see the sales pitch a few times before they actually decide to buy. So you need a good email service that ultimately can deliver your message. Another good thing about email, you can always entice your customers more to buy, and that's what it's all about, generating sales. So if you're not using email, you're leaving dollars on the table. As you know, in today's society, a lot of people spend a lot of time on their smartphones and on their computers, and guarantee the average person check their email 6-7 times a day, So if you're not using email to market, you're missing a trick. One other thing is, with email marketing, to start building your list, you need to be able to have a nice landing page. Now, there's many services that you can use to get landing pages. Some of them, big ones, some of them are very expensive. But there's a service I use, Aweber, where you can get they actually have landing pages you can use, if you don't, or sign-up forms. So you're covered. It won't cost you anything, So, if you want to get started without a cost, Aweber is good, because the first 500 subscribers to your list is free, and it's free for 30 days. So you can get started, and it's very inexpensive service, and it's probably the most reliable service out there as far as email service in an autoresponder is now building a landing page with Aweber is quite easy because there are so many really nice templates that you can use. It's beginner friendly. As you know, autoresponder, and a good autoresponder is a central part of your marketing tools. Why? Because it allows you to communicate with your customers and prospects. Yeah, I've been using Aweber now for many years, and I find it a very simple interface is very simple because I've tried other autoresponder before I actually use Aweber, and it can be very complicated. It's very beginner friendly. There's, as I say, there is landing page builders with plenty of templates, sign up forms, everything you need to, and it's probably one of the best services out there because the thing is about emails, you want it to come in your inbox. You don't want it in the spam folders, and that's the good thing about Aweber. Very reliable service. Yes, as I was saying, as a marketer, you really do need a good email service, and especially with affiliate marketing, because it's you're selling somebody else's product. 9 out of 10 times there's a lot of competition, so you need to be able to follow up on your email. If you learn anything, you can comment, and you can like and subscribe, because I'll be sending out more videos like this about affiliate marketing and email service.